Hey, third graders. Today we are going to be doing pages 192 and 193. We'll talk about the directions. On this page, it says we are going to write 8 words that are names for people, places, or things. Okay, so here we go. We have this big list to choose from, okay? And you have lots of nouns over there, okay? So you can pick, there are more than 8, but you notice that you have 8 lines here. So a person, a place, or a thing. So I'm going to start right at the top, and I'm going to go, well, a horse is definitely a thing, right? So we have 8 lines here, so horse could be one of my nouns. Remember, people, places, and things are nouns, aren't they? So I can keep going down the list and I can pick whichever ones I want. And then when you get down to the bottom, you have some that go with the challenge words over here. So you're going to put these 2 words in the right spots. Okay, and there are some on the list that are not people, places, or things, so don't pick those. But other than that, you should be good to go. All right, find your people, places, and things. And then when you are finished, maybe pause the video right here and meet me on 193 when you're ready. All right, today we're going to be talking about prefixes, and the 2 prefixes that we're going to focus on are the IN and the IM. Remember that a prefix comes at the beginning of a word, and they're going to be using these 2 prefixes. Okay, so they're going to give you a base word, which is the word before the prefix is added. So the base word here for the first one is active. And then I'm going to add the prefix to it, and that becomes inactive. So if you were ever taking a test and they gave you that word and they said, what is the base word? You would say the base word is active. And now they're going to ask us the meaning. And basically every time they do this, guys, inactive means not active. Okay? So basically you're going to be putting not in front of this word for the meaning. So when I get down to the next one, which is visible, I write invisible, right? And then the meaning of that is not visible. So you're just always going to put that not word in front. Okay, so finish those up. When you get down here, I want you to do number 1, number 3, and number 6. Okay, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm not going to make you write all of them, but I want you to write 3 good sentences using the words. So the first one is inactive. This is the word that you're going to put in your sentence. So I could say Susie was sick and she was very inactive. Okay? If you see a word that you want to use instead of the ones I circled, like if you really want to do invisible, you could just put that on a different line, guys. It's not that big of a deal as long as you do 3 sentences with 3 words. So if you see words that you like better than the ones that I circled, you could also use those, just as long as you do 3 sentences below. Okay? Awesome.